5 tips to lose weight fast without exercise. Exercise isn't the only way you can lose weight. A few simple changes in the way you eat, as well as what you eat, can make a huge difference. To lose weight without any workout or exercise, here are 5 tips to lose weight fast without exercise, backed by scientific studies. We have bonus references at the end of the video for all the studies mentioned in this video. All 5 tips work together, so watch the entire video to gain knowledge of how all 5 work and how you can take advantage of them all. 1. Eat without distractions. In a review published by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2013, researchers found that people who are distracted while eating consume as much as 10% more than when they eat attentively. Furthermore, it also increased food consumption during the next meal by over 25%. Avoid watching TV or using your phone while eating. By simply focusing on your food during meals, you could dramatically lower your overall calorie intake, which should help you lose weight fast. 2. Eat slowly. In 2015, a review conducted by researchers in Japan's Kyushu University Graduate School of Medical Sciences concluded that people who ate quickly were more likely to gain weight than those who ate slowly. In fact, those who ate quickly were more likely to be obese. By eating slowly, you give your brain enough time to process that you've consumed enough food. Consequently, you will be able to eat less and lose weight. 3. Drink plenty of water. A 12-week study by researchers from Virginia Tech and Ferrum College, Virginia, shows that drinking 500 milliliters or 17 ounces of water 30 minutes before a meal minimizes overall food intake. The reduction in food intake was so significant that those who drank water before meals lost 44% more weight than those who didn't. By simply drinking around 2 glasses of water half an hour before eating, you can easily lower your overall calorie intake and lose weight as a result of it. 4. Avoid sugary drinks. One study by researchers at the Harvard School of Public Health proved that consumption of sugar-sweetened beverages significantly contributes to long-term weight gain. In another study published by the Current Opinion in Clinical Nutrition and Metabolic Care Journal, researchers proved that liquid carbohydrates, such as sodas and juices, don't affect how full we feel as much as solid foods do. Therefore, even if we consume plenty of calories in liquid form, we still end up eating more solid foods because we're still hungry. By simply avoiding sugary drinks, you can significantly reduce your overall calorie intake and lose weight. 5. Eat more protein. A study by researchers in the University of Texas Medical Branch shows that protein intake helps us consume fewer calories because it helps us feel fuller for longer. Additionally, protein consumption helps us retain or build muscle mass, which further contributes to weight loss. In another study conducted at the University of Washington School of Medicine, researchers found that increasing protein consumption from 15% to 30% of overall calories allowed participants to lose an average of 11 pounds over 12 weeks. By increasing the portion of protein in your meals, you are likely to eat less, consume fewer calories, and lose weight. These 5 tips to lose weight fast without exercise are backed by science and have been proven to be effective. They involve very simple changes you can easily make in your life. Try them all and see how quickly and effortlessly you can lose your excess weight without exercise. Following are lists of the scientific studies referenced in this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.